Hey there, I'm Chad the Bag, and welcome to the Brown Bag Portfolio. I'm here to show you that building wealth doesn't have to be a headache. Most people think saving money means living like a broke hermit who tracks every coffee. Spoiler alert, that plan doesn't work long term. They get paid, pay all the bills, go out, then promise to save whatever's left. Newsflash, there's never anything left. Your checking account has a magical way of disappearing if you don't give every dollar a job the second it hits your account. So today, I'm flipping the script. We're using the simple 50-30-20 rule to make saving easy and actually fun. Let's get after it. First up, 50% of your income goes to needs. That's rent, utilities, groceries, gas, and minimum debt payments, the basics. 30% is for wants, the fun stuff like eating out, streaming, hobbies, and that vacation you've been dreaming about. And the final 20%? Straight to savings and debt payoff. This is where your wealth actually starts stacking up. Once you set this up, life gets way less stressful. No more guessing where your money went, it's all on autopilot. Now let's talk high-yield savings accounts. These are like regular savings on steroids. They actually pay you decent interest instead of pennies. So which banks are actually paying these great rates right now? Ally, Capital One, and SoFi are currently offering some of the highest rates, around 4.5 to 5%. But remember that individual bank accounts are FDIC insured up to a maximum of $250,000. So, just in case you have a spell of bad luck. Once your account hits $250,000, spread the money around to other ownership categories or banks. That way, you're fully covered. The best part? You can set it and forget it, create automatic transfers, and make saving effortless. To set up your autopilot, just log into your bank app, set up automatic transfers, and watch your savings grow without lifting a finger. Here's exactly how. Go to your direct deposit settings and split that 20% straight into your high-yield savings account every payday. Easy as pie. Keep automating those transfers until your emergency fund reaches 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This is your safety net for life's unexpected surprises. Once your emergency fund is full, keep the autopilot running, but redirect that 20% into investments like Dividend ETFs. Watch it grow faster. This simple system takes the stress out of saving and investing. You set it up once and let it run while you live your life with confidence. Your homework today is simple. Figure out 3 months of expenses, then start that automatic transfer this week. Even small amounts add up fast. Building wealth doesn't have to be complicated. With autopilot and the right plan, anyone can do this and start building real security. Now you have everything you need to get started. Open that high-yield account, set up the transfers, and take the first step today. Imagine never worrying about unexpected bills again. Your emergency fund protects you while your investments work for you 24/7. That's true financial freedom. Next, keep that same autopilot habit going and direct the money into strong dividend ETFs so your portfolio grows on its own. ETFs are exchange-traded funds. They let you own a basket of great companies in one simple investment, like buying a little piece of many stocks at once. Some popular ones include SPYI for high income, SCHD for reliable dividends, JEPI for monthly payouts, and QYLD for covered call strategies. These ETFs make it easy to start investing. You can buy them in your brokerage account just like a regular stock and watch them grow over time. The beauty of these ETFs is you don't need to be an expert. Just pick a few good ones, invest consistently, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. To recap, build your emergency fund first with automatic transfers into a high-yield savings account, Then redirect that money into strong dividend ETFs for long-term growth. Your homework is simple. Open that high-yield savings account this week, set up the automatic transfer, and take the first step toward financial freedom. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe to the Brown Bag Portfolio. Let's keep stacking that bag together. See you in the next video.